Welcome to Maths with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about auctions and bidding strategies with particular attention to second price auction. This video is still under game theory, in particular under applications of game theory in economics. So, can we look at the concepts of auction in this case? First of all, can we talk about some auction types? Auction types. Auction types. Okay. So as far as auction types are concerned, we have first price auctions, first price auctions. We have second price auctions. And we also have English auctions. So our focus in this situation is going to be on second price auctions. But then before we take an example, can we also consider another concept in this case, strategies, right? We are talking about game theory, so we talk about players, talk about their strategies and their payoffs. So the strategies here depend on the information available, on the information available. So we could have private versus common value. So, and of course, all of that would determine the payoff and things like that. So let's look at a practical example of second price auction. So imagine this. Example of second price auction. Second price auction. Okay. Two bidders, A and B, participate in a second price sealed bid, second price sealed bid auction. Their valuations for the item, they are bidding for, right, are, V of A, that's 100, whatever, 100 million, 100 billion, whatever. And VB, which is 80. Those are their prices, their valuations for what they are bidding for. So let's look at how we go about this as a solution. So step one here, right? The step one will be about the auction rule. What are the auction, or what rules is guiding, what rules are guiding this auction? So generally speaking, in a second price auction, in a second price auction, okay, the highest bidder, the highest bidder wins, but pays, pays the second highest bidder. Okay. So imagine that there are 10 bids for a particular item. So the top two people, they'll go for the final showdown where the highest bidder pays the second highest bidder to take the item. So that's the rule of the game. Then step two talks about the strategy. The rule is clear already. So step two, what is the strategy here? So the dominant strategy is to beat your true valuation, your true valuation. And those are already given in this case that the valuation for A is 100 and the valuation for B is 80. Okay. So after that, we talk about the outcome. What will be the outcome of this? That's step three. What is the outcome of this auction? So look at the steps. A bids 100, B bids 80. Okay. Then next, you have A wins since 100 is greater than 80. Definitely A is the highest bidder. Then now A pays B's bid. A will pay B's bid, which is 80. Okay. And then we go for step four. Step four in this auction process is about the profit for A. So what profit does A make? Profit for A. So here we have the winner's profit. Winner's profit is given as profit is equal to the valuation for A minus the price paid. That's the profit. So A valued the stuff at 100, but then the second highest bidder valued it at 80. So in that case now it means that A's profit is actually his valuation minus the actual price paid, which is 100 minus 80, and that is equal to 20. So A makes a profit of 20. Then talking about step five now. Step five. What is the profit for B? Profit for B. So loser's profit is zero, right? Loser's profit is zero. Thankfully, B doesn't lose anything actually. The only thing is that B is outbidded, and then that makes A gain the difference between what B bidded and what A bidded, right? Okay. So I mean it's that process, the process is that simple. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. But what's the takeaway from here in second price auction system? So the second price auction, the second price auction encourages truthful bidding. Truthful bidding as the as the winners as the winner's payment is unaffected. The winner's payment is unaffected by their bid if it is higher, than their rivals. Okay, so that's what that is about as far as second price auction is concerned. So in the next video, I'll be talking about something political, but I mean, we can still categorize that under some kind of economics, maybe political economics. So we're talking about voting and political strategies, um, with particular reference to the median voter theorem. So you want to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, you also want to hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. Comment also. Let me know how helpful these videos have been to you. And let me also know if you wanted to teach a topic or solve a problem. And finally, make sure Be sure to like and share so that more people can have access to this great content. Till I come your way again, keep playing the game of life with wisdom. Bye.